What is up, guys? I will be doing the oil change on my CT200, the daily. You already know I'm not done with the bike at this moment, but probably will be done some other time. Just getting rid of all the red, and I got a whole bunch of oil that I should be returning. I'm gonna jack her up. I really need a new jack because this one is so small, but it works. Yo, has it ever happened to you guys where you just are going at it and it like pretty much slips? Then I ended up hitting my knuckles just like that. You see that? Almost slipped. That just sucked. Hit it with the jack stand, you know, make sure nice and solid just in case. Not trying to get crushed. Check out the setup. Light work. Have another look at it again. That boosted hybrid right here. Sheesh. Making crazy power. Just playing. It would be fun though. Gotta get my carpet. Trying to get too dirty, Oh, damn. Throw that in there. That should be good. Come to my little station, I think it was a 14, but I'm not too sure. I'm just gonna take it with me. And take a 15 and a 13 because why not? I'm already here. What else did I need? I think that's it for now. A whole bunch of rags, a whole bunch of parts off the hybrid I did for the Z. She's been good to me though. So I was right the first time. It was a 14. Let's get it. But a little bit about this car is I've had it for I think about 2 years. It's been really good to me. It's been burning a little bit of oil, but it's still running. Just add a little bit of just top it off and sand it. Also, I did the oil change last time, but I didn't replace the filter because I didn't have one of these. Obviously, I did oil changes, but not here at Valvoline. But now I'm doing it myself because why not? So I had to buy this. Last time I forgot to take this off, but yeah. So it's pretty much my first time taking one of these filters off. Never really done that before, but I'll do it at the end. It's gonna do this part first though. Let's see. Where's the 14? I lost it. Alright, but that was pretty loose, not gonna lie. But as long as it wasn't leaking, I think we'll be fine. Where is it? Let this thing focus. swear this better not spill. Let's go. Alright, let me just... The thing's black, bro. It's coming, though. That's what she said. The thing's dark, bro. Just because it's reliable, I should probably take care of it more. Look at that. I didn't get oil on me, but scientific purposes, yeah, it's pretty dark, to be honest. Good thing we're doing the oil change. Man, I swear I grabbed the rag, didn't I? Bruh, it's right there. Whole time. At this point, I was thinking maybe I should have lifted it from this side so the oil kind of just drains, you know, more this way. Actually, I'll just jack it up. Just drop it on the... Oh shit. It's a little too much, but... Jack it up on the other side. We got the Q50 here too, you know. Then look clean. There we go. Maybe we'll see more oil coming out. I jack it up. Huh, I guess not. Guess it didn't matter. Oh well. Alright, it's my first time using this. Okay, I should have watched the video beforehand, but I mean, it looks pretty straightforward, right? You just kind of push it in there, right? Alright, that is actually pretty tough. Alright, so I think I was supposed to put it all the way in, so we can grab onto these. Smacking it, no. Smack it with your purse. Nah, but alright, I think it should work now. What the fuck? Alright. I can't record and work at the same time right now. Alright, I finally got it. It is just over tightened. Of course, Valvoline workers, they over tightened that for sure. I low-key thought this had to come off, but I guess it didn't. Right, just take that off. I wonder if you're supposed to replace these plastic things. Alright, damn, that's black, bro. Alright, noted that this thing will squirt out at you. Pretty much similar like when I did the oil pump on the water pump, my Z, when I was rebuilding. Look at that filter, bro. I'll have to check it out. Dude, that thing has been abused. Here's a new filter and gasket. Compared to this one is dirty. Well, look at that. Probably gonna hit this with some part cleaner. I don't think they're supposed to mix, but just a little bit, you know, nothing crazy. That should be fine. I am a pro. Alright. I gotta put that new gasket in, you know what I'm saying? Bruh. Alright. Bro, I wish I had like something to hold my camera. Just to do this quick. Like, I have my glasses, but I don't want to go get them, you know? So it just goes right in there. Boom. Bro, tell me why I almost forgot to throw this thing in there. I don't really think it matters how it goes. I'll just throw it in there. I think it's just like that. I mean, how was this one, man? Shit. Oh well. Maybe this way. Or it's the other way. Who knows? Probably the same stuff, but I still gotta do the oil change on that. I just bought it, so I still gotta buy like stuff for it. Already have cleaned the inside and everything. Just switch it to on, you know. What the fuck? There we go. Let's get that in there. Hand tighten. Then we use the ratchet. Obviously don't over tighten like the other guys. Like right. I think that's right there. That felt decent, you know? You know when you're like, you know, you gotta hit it with the you know, you know. Boom. Now I just gotta get this guy off, but probably just pry it off with my little flathead. Ah shit. Might just have to stay till the next one. Oh really? Alright. I'm gonna figure something out for this guy. You know what, guys? That's pretty tough. I don't even think I'm gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna leave it here. Hopefully it stays on for the next oil change. It's whatever. I don't really care. As long as it stays. I'm gonna still put it back on there. It's not like I do this for a living. Plus, it's the only one I got that uses that. What is it? Tool. This right here is all my clean oil for the Z. But yeah, trying to pour this on there. 0-20, you know, that reliable stuff. To pour oil, oh man. Okay, this one doesn't come with like the, what's it called, that little like aluminum? Maybe I have one that has an example. Cause sometimes it just comes out like too fast. But, so when it's like this, I poke a bigger hole here. And then I poke like a tiny hole right there, you know, just so I can pour it in. Cause you know, like if you pour it too fast, it like, you know, I don't know how to say it, but it like splashes out or something. All right, so 4.4, 4.2. So basically this whole thing almost, whoops, never mind. Almost this whole thing. I thought it was 4.7 right there, but it's 5 quarts. So 4. So still almost the whole thing, but not really. Definitely could use more. I should check if it's spilling. Yeah, we're good. Right. Probably just gonna drop it, check the oil, you know, because I don't want to overfill it. So I'm gonna do that. All right. Checking the oil. Definitely cleaner for sure. Still has some of that old one on there, but still needs filling. You can see from, it's just like right to the bottom. Just put that back in there. All right, let's add more. If you don't really know how much, just go little by little. Just take your time. Let's go. All right. So halfway now. So just add more. Bruh. Let's pour some in there. All right, just topped it off, and it's pretty much right at the dot. Just a little under, but it's cool. Mine burns it. I always check it, so it's not crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Just making it just cuz. There we go. This probably be the thumbnail, huh? Just playing. Low key though.